and our respected parents. Today, I feel so proud and patriotic because we are going to celebrate special day. And our theme name is Proud to be an Indian. So today, our PS5 kids are going to perform as a great freedom fighter of India. So let's listen them and enjoy it.
Hello friends, my name is Swar Patel. I am studying in Senior KG. Today I want to say something about freedom fighter. Sardar Patel, who is known as Iron Man of India. He became the first deputy prime minister of India and the first home minister after independence. He was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadia, a small village in Gujarat. His father Jawaharlal was a farmer and mother Laibai was an ordinary housewife. Every year we celebrate 31st October as National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in 1991. The Statue of Unity has been static from 31st October 2014 and was a dream project of Indian Prime Shri Narendra Modi. This statue has been built on an island near Narmada River near the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Thank you. Bye bye.
My name is Divyan Gacha. I read in Senior KG in Telugu Kids. I tell you about Aryabhat. Aryabhat was a great mathematician and astronomer of India. He wrote books called Aryabhat. He was born in Kusumpur. He composed books and Surya Siddhanta. He only discovered the void.
My name is Niyal Chamachi. I am studying Senior KG. My school name is Kangal Creeks. Today I want to share my views on Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was an Indian soldier who was in the 31st BNI regiment of the British East India Company. He was the great freedom fighter. He was born on 19th July 1827. He was died on 8th April 1857. By school Calcutta at the age of 29. ये आजादी का पता है.
जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.
Hello friends, my name is Pranali Brahmbhatt. Today I am Mother Teresa. Thank you God for each and every day. I am not Muslim, I am not Christian, I am not Hindu. My religion is humanity. Humanity means helping and caring each other. So children, be a good try, be a good student, be a good human. God bless you, my child. Thank you. My name is Sridham Patel. I am studying as Kangaroo Kids and I am talking about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he born on 14th November and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru likes the children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, his father name is Motibhai, and mother name is
Swarup Devi.
Swarup Devi. Thank you. My name is Meghna Dalkia. I am talking about Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was first IPS officer. She was born at Amritsar. She was very disciplined and strict officer. She was very honest. She was very brave and received so many awards from the government. Bye bye. My name is Arajina Parik. I study in PSY 4 at Kangaroo Kids. Today I tell you about Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24 April 1973 in Mumbai. His father name is Ramesh Tendulkar. His mother name is Rajani Tendulkar. He started playing cricket at the age of 11 only. He is known as God of Cricket, Master Blaster. He awarded by Bharat Ratna, Arjun Award, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, etc. जब जब बैट मेरे हाथ में आता है तब तब चौके और छक्के की बारिश होती है. थैंक यू. Hi friends, I am in Devas. I study senior KG at Kangaroo Kids. Today I want to share my views on my freedom fighter, Ajay Bansal. Full name is Alarkar Rehman. He is Rodin Chandi, Tamil Nadu on 6th January 1967. His father name is Arkesekhar. His father name is Karima Begum. He is a famous India film, composer, musician, and singer. He have received many national and international awards. He has also received Oscar for the song Shadow. Bye bye friends. Morning friends. My name is Ansuman Sharma. I study in PSY 4 at Kangaroo Kids. They tell about Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar was a Indian musician and composer. Played for the sitar, founder of the National Orchestra of India. He is a musician. He was the musician all around the world. He takes many awards. Thank you. My name is Krizasa. I study in senior KG. Today I will tell about Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla
Is an
astronaut.
and engineer. Today
She
she is a first woman of India
to go
to go space.
see
She is a
Role model.
role model
of
of
all
all
women.
women. Namaste. I am Chandra Patel. I am Chandrasekhar Rajat. I am freedom fighter. I am called Palraji and Panditji. दुश्मन की गोलियां के सामना हम करेंगे. आजाद है, आजादी रहेंगे. जय हिंद.
Thank you for watching and enjoying the special day. Here I am ending the session, but before that I want to thank you to the parents who have great effort to motivate their kids to perform on this day. Thank you so much.